AI music is now live within Artlist, studio quality, commercial ready music that comes in multiple genres and languages thanks to the new AI music model from Google, Lyria 3 and Lyria 3 Pro. We're talking pro-grade, full-length outputs. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, I am back over on Artlist because we're going to test out AI music, which was just added to the platform. And if you want to follow along, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. All right, right on the homepage, underneath featured AI models, we've got Lyria 3 Pro. This is going to take us over to the AI Toolkit, and it looks like we have a new addition right within the prompt box. Here's the music icon. So we've got image, video, voiceover, and music all within the same ecosystem. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to start with Lyria 3, and then we're going to jump over to Lyria 3 Pro. With Lyria 3, we're looking at high fidelity tracks for creative exploration and short form content with up to 30-second generations and multi-image input. And all we got to do is describe the song we want to create. All right, here's what I'm thinking. I want to create an uplifting song that blends orchestral and electronic instrumentation with a hint of subtle, elegant female vocalists. Okay, I'm going to keep pretty much everything on default. However, underneath vocals, I'm going to specify instrumental. We've got Artlist sound enabled. For genre, I'm going with auto, mood, auto, theme, auto, and then tempo auto as well. All right, let's have a listen. All right, that is a fantastic track, and I love how it handled my request with just a subtle hint of vocals. For this next song, we're going to upload a reference image. So here's the image that I'm uploading. We've got a puppy lying on the beach. So we're just going for kind of a good vibes on the beach kind of a song. With image to music, we can upload visuals that match the mood we want to go with. And our song's going to reflect that whole vibe. And then I'm going to pair my image with this prompt. Adorable golden retriever puppy lounging on the beach. Content, good vibes. All right, I'm going to go with auto lyrics, Artlist sound, genre auto. For mood, we're going to go happy. For theme, let's go social media and tempo on auto as well. All right, let's punch this in.
Golden puppy in the sun, just for fun. Sandy paws and happy sighs, beach day prize. Golden puppy in the sun, golden puppy in the sun.
That song was also fantastic. I feel like the output captured my image and prompt perfectly. Now we're going to shift over to Lyria 3 Pro. I'm just going to clear out my prompt box. Let's come on down to the model. Then we have Lyria 3 Pro, pro-grade full-length tracks with advanced lyric and tempo control, and we can create generations up to 3 minutes long. So let's go ahead and select this. Here's my prompt. I'm defining the style. I'm going with female vocals, and then I have my lyrics clearly laid out. Then I'm going to keep everything pretty much on default. All right, let's punch this in. All right, that is honestly unreal. It sounds incredibly crisp and lifelike. I personally would not be able to tell that from the real thing, but I want to hear from you in the comments. Are you able to tell the difference between my generation and the real thing? I'd love to know. All right, this is going to be a bit of a bonus video because Kling 3.0 motion control has also landed on Artlist. So we're going to try that out as well. All right, so here it is within all the other video models within Artlist. Kling 3.0 motion control. We can animate any character by replicating motion from a reference video, and we can generate up to 30-second long generations, which is crazy stuff. We also have Kling 03 video edit, which is also a new model on Artlist, which gives us advanced video to video editing to swap props, styles, and lighting. But we're going to kick off with 3.0 motion control. First things first, we're going to start with a reference image or a character image. And this is basically the character that you actually want to animate. So here's the image that I'm going to use. Now we're going to upload a reference video, which we're going to use to animate our original image. All right, so I came across a viral dancing video that I found online. I figured this would be the perfect reference video for our Spider-Man main character. And here's my prompt. Make this superhero dance. And yes, it is that simple. We've got our model selected. I'm going to keep audio enabled, which includes music, special effects, and voices in our video. And I'm going to go with pro quality generation. Let's punch this in. I mean, come on, we pretty much have a perfect match. Here's a quick side by side with the original video as well. Actually, crazy, crazy accurate. So there it is today. We've got AI music now on Artlist. Also the newest models Kling has to offer, including Kling 3.0 motion control. Of course, if you want to try this all out for yourself today, the link is going to be in the description as always. So with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.